Okay, this is a new song and it's called Another Day. It's all about self-respect and learning to love yourself. That's fair to say. Can I have a little bit more of Hannah's guitar?
You pass the humor for aggression. You gently lose your grip. I see through holes with intuition. I gently take a sip. It's just a voice out there. Desperation and despair, clutching around at any cost to catch the love you know you've lost. And now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You took me by the reins, you know, manipulate this brain till the coldness and the taking nearly made me go insane. And I cannot and I will not be the cost of victory. Lift you up if I was strong enough, if I didn't care for me. Now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You've got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You've got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You've got to love yourself before you can love anybody. Never feel alone. Take the love you feel and give it back to those you know. The love you push for aggression. You gently lose your grip, but you need the love. As I gently take a sip, it's just always desperation and despair, watching out at any cost you know the love you know you lost. And now it's here, and change your mind. Keep looking at the light, let the shadows fall behind. Here comes another day, another chance for you to find your way. Take this opportunity, this turning point to prove you can be there. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else.